Hello students, welcome to the most awaited current affairs video and Paris Olympic. My name is 𝐒𝐂𝐃𝐈𝐀 and I'm going to present you today's video, which is totally and purely and based on the detailed analysis of Paris Olympic 2024. The date event or we can say the Paris Olympic 2024 started from July 26th and ended on August 11, 2024. The host city was Paris, France. Number of sports which was being played is 32 sports. Number of event was approximately 329 events. Now talking about our Indian medalist, India bagged 1 silver medal and 5 bronze medal for the country. So let's start with the silver medal. Silver medal was bagged by Neeraj Chopra in the sports athletics in men's javelin throw and he got the medal on 8th of August. Now coming upon the 5 bronze medal, I'll start with the name Manu Bhaker and she won bronze medal in shooting in the sports or we can say in the event women's 10-meter air pistol on July 28, 2024. The another bronze goes to Manu Bhaker and Sarabjot Singh in shooting in mixed 10-meter air pistol team and they received the medal on 30th July 2024. Another bronze goes to 𝐒𝐒𝐄𝐈𝐀 in shooting in the event men's 50-meter rifle 3 position on 1st of August. Another bronze was bagged by India men's national field hockey team, that was in field hockey in men's tournament and they got the medal on 8th of August. The next bronze went to Aman Sherawat in wrestling in men's freestyle 57 kg and he got the medal on 9th of August. So when we talk about the medals by sport, so in athletics we got 1 silver medal, in shooting we bagged 3 bronze medal, in field hockey we bagged 1 bronze medal and in wrestling we bagged 1 bronze medal. Now let's talk about our winners. Let's start with Manu Bhaker. The game she played was 10-meter air pistol women and 10-meter air pistol mixed team. She bagged the medal bronze, actually I can say 2 bronze medal for India. In another sport which she participated was 25-meter air pistol where she ranked 4. Her achievements are that she became the first female shooter for India to win a medal at any Olympic. Now let's talk about our another winners we can say who made the India proud and here I'll include the name Manu Bhaker and Sarabjot Singh. The game was 10-meter air pistol mixed team. The medal they bagged was bronze. Previously I stated that Manu Bhaker she bagged 2 bronze medal and made India proud in Olympics which was held in Paris in 2024. Their achievement is Indian shooter Manu Bhaker and Sarabjot Singh scripted history with a bronze medal in the 10-meter air pistol mixed team. Now let's talk about the achievement of 𝐒𝐿𝐾𝐈𝐀. The game he played was 50-meter rifle 3 position where he bagged bronze medal. His achievement was 𝐒𝐾𝐈𝐀 became the first Indian to qualify the finals of men's 50-meter rifle 3 position event and won bronze medal with the score of 451.4 in the finals. Now, taking the next bronze medal winner, Aman Sherawat. The game he played was men's freestyle 57 kgs and his achievement is he is the youngest Indian to win an individual Olympic medal, have secured a bronze medal in 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris and he is just 21 years old. Now, talking about our Indian hockey team, our Indian hockey teams in men's tournament, that is hockey, won bronze medal and the achievement is India were the most successful hockey team in Olympics history with 8 gold, 1 silver and 3 bronze medal till date. Now, talking about our silver medalist, Neeraj Chopra won silver medal in men's javelin throw. The best throw of his was 89.45 meter. If we talk about his previous Olympics, he won gold medal in Tokyo Olympics in 2020. Now talking about our achievers brings one name to my mind. Let's talk about our lioness, Vinesh Phogat. Vinesh Phogat was disqualified from women's 50 kg gold medal match after failing weigh-in ahead of the finals. Vinesh was found just 100 gram overweight on the second day of the weigh-in. Just imagine 100 grams means nothing. It's a few pieces of cashew, 1 berry we can say. Just because of that few 100 grams, she lost to contest for the gold medal in the finals. Now, let's talk about 𝐒𝐿𝐄𝐈𝐀𝐋. 𝐒𝐿𝐄𝐈𝐀𝐋 became the first ever Indian male badminton player to reach the semi-finals of an Olympics game. Now, this brings a few questions which I am sure that you people must be having in your mind. That who won gold medal in men's javelin throw in Paris Olympic if not our supreme Neeraj Chopra? Then the award went to Arshad Nadeem, who belongs to Pakistan. Men's javelin throw, he won gold medal and his best throw was 92.97 meters. The country he belonged to Pakistan, and trust me, this is the first gold medal. Now, the second question which might come to your brain is, ma'am, if not Indian hockey players, then who won the gold in men's hockey final in Paris Olympics? So the answer is Netherlands. Talking about Netherlands won both men's and women team gold in the same edition of an Olympics for the first time. The runner-up was Germany. Now, the third question which might come to your brain is that, ma'am, how many athletes from India have participated in Olympics 2024? So the answer for the same is 117. Out of 117 players, the oldest athlete was Rohan Bopanna, whose age is 44 years and he played tennis. The youngest athlete from India is Ghidinidhi Desai of 14 years and she contested for swimming. The next question which can come to your brain is that ma'am, what was the India's position in Paris Olympics 2024? So the answer for this is India's position was 71st. So ma'am, if India got the 71st position, then which country bagged the first ranking in Paris Olympics? The answer for this is, guys, United States. So now guys, let me just give you a quick brief about the top 4 countries along with the number of gold, silver and bronze medal with them. The first position in Paris Olympics 2024 goes to United States with 40 gold medal, 44 silver medal, 42 bronze medal. That is, in total, United States bagged 126 medal in Paris Olympic 2024. The second position goes to China, and China bagged 40 gold medal, 27 silver medal, 24 bronze medal, and in total, China bagged 91 medals from Paris Olympics 2024. The third position goes to Japan, and Japan bagged 20 gold medal, 12 silver medal, 13 bronze medal. In total, Japan bagged 45 medals in Paris Olympic 2024. The fourth position goes to Australia, and Australia bagged 18 gold medal, 19 silver medal, 16 bronze medal, and in total, Australia is there with 53 medals in Paris Olympic 2024. So now, let me tell you the official slogan of Paris 2024 Olympics. And the official slogan for Paris Olympics 2024 was Game Wide Open. Talking about the debuting sports in Paris Olympic 2024, breaking, also known as breakdancing, made its Olympic debut, while surfing and skateboarding returned for their second game along with sports climbing. So student, this was all about Paris Olympic 2024. I have covered all the essential points which is important from your CLAT examination. So guys, please read, learn and revise, and trust me, you are going to ace in your coming exam, which is going to be held on 1st of December 2024. And please also do put down in the comment section that on which topic you need the next video upon. And we will be making the video as per your demand. Till then, bye, take care and just have a nice day. And again, do as many efforts as you can, and the result will be yours.